Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I will be helping you learn how to activate public bank's debit card online. So let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in pbebank.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for public bank, click on Login on the top right hand corner and select your PBE online banking accounts option. Now, you will need to log into your online banking account by entering your login credentials. Start off by typing in your user ID for your existing online banking account. If you don't have an online banking account yet, click on register and follow through the registration process. But if you do, you can enter your credential in the text box. Enter your user ID and click next. On the next page, go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompts and type in your password for your online banking account. After you are done, click on Login and sign into your public bank online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you manage your accounts or debit cards and click on Activate Debit Card and follow through the on-screen prompts and input your debit card information such as your debit card number, the expiry date, and security code. Once you submit the request, your public bank debit card should be activated and be ready to use. So that's how you can easily activate public bank's debit card in just few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.